Alright guys, so I want to come in here and do a quick unboxing review on my new portable charger. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Love keeping my phone charged, so I like keeping these handy at all times. So let's check this one out. Type-C cable. Comes with a wrist strap for it. Here's the actual power bank itself. It's got a nice LCD screen here, built-in cables, which is probably one of my favorite features about it. The fast charger does do 22.5 watts, so it can charge your phone from 0 to 60% in about 30 minutes, so very, very quick. Nice little carrying case for it as well. Let's go ahead and actually power it on. There we go. Let's check out the length of the cables. So this one, nice length right there. This one is your Type-C 22.5 watt fast charger right here. This is right here so that you can actually charge the device. So literally just plug this into like your USB blocks or anything like that. I'll show you here in a second. And this one is your Lightning. So I still have some AirPods that use this. If you still have an iPhone that has a Lightning, you can definitely use this one. And then you still have this options up here of a Type-C and USB. So let's actually hook some items to it just to test it out. All right, so let's actually hook up my iPad to the fast charger, the Type-C right here. There we go. So we got one item on there. Let's keep adding a couple more. All right, now I'll actually use one of the USB ports that they have on here. So we'll plug that in. There we go. And it does let you know right there, you know, the percent that you still have available on the portable charger. But as you can see, I got my iPad on here, got my watch on here, and I'll do one more item on here just to keep testing it out. All right, and then lastly, we'll go ahead and actually plug in my iPhone to that Type-C. There it is. So you can see, got everything running for this one portable power bank. Not super thick. I love the built-in cords into it, so you don't even have to be carrying these if you're just gonna be charging your phone or tablet. Very, very convenient. Now lastly, let me just show you what it is to actually use this to charge it up. And then if we did want to go ahead and charge up our power bank, just go ahead and plug this into a USB. As you can see, it'll start blinking, letting you know that it is charging. So very simple to use. All right, guys, so there you guys have it. If you guys are looking for a new portable power bank with the built-in cables, 22.5 watt fast charging, definitely look into this one. But I'm gonna leave that link in the description if y'all want to go ahead and get yours.